Thanks, class, for reading the announcement. Hopefully, you got that by now. Obviously, hopefully, you got my email. You click on this announcement. If you're in the announcement area, click on calendar to come back to the DQ area. Okay, because remember, I want you to read these pinned posts here. So when you click on topic one, DQ1, however it takes you to get there, you're going to see these two pinned posts. Now, each week, look at these pinned posts. Okay, one's going to be a video announcement of me talking, going over weekly objectives, some help, some advice on it, and then usually the second post or a third post, there might be two or three, depending on how many's pinned up there in the top. When you first come in, it could be tutorials too. I like to do tutorials on how to complete the assignments each week to help you out. Okay, there's no way to change the name of the thread or anything like that right now, but just note that if you see pinned posts, it's either weekly announcement or tutorials to watch or very important information. So there might be two, three, depending on what it is. Now you can click on the collapse all and you'll see mine. I'm hoping you see the same color as I see, purple, or whatever it is on top. So if you have that up there, please take a look at that. Now, when you click on each of them, what you're going to do is you're going to see that in let's see here. This first one is going to be a video of me talking. Okay, so click on that. It's a YouTube video of me talking. And then when you scroll down even further, you're going to see tutorials. So, like I said, in this first week, I'm going to show you how to answer DQ1 and 2, which is a discussion question assignment. There's one that's due Wednesday, one that's due Friday. Click on that for more information. Here's a tutorial on how to find course readings, where to find the course readings for each week. You have assignment due by Sunday. You have two of them. You have a quiz, which is 6 questions. You'll see that when you're going through these tutorials, you'll see that there is a quiz that's due too. So I think it's like 6 questions. You have 30 minutes to complete it. Pretty basic. I always tell students wait towards the end of the week to do any quizzes so you have information in your mind throughout the week on what you're learning before taking a quiz. But this tutorial here actually helps you complete a worksheet that's due by Sunday. There's a way to submit it as an attachment in a Dropbox area so that we see it. And then this also goes over topic one participation. And if you notice, a lot of these right here are going over these weekly objectives here in the beginning of when you first log into class, or if you click on calendar, you'll see you'll have DQ1, DQ2, resources, here's a quiz, and then topic one. And you can click on these things to go to enter into them, like you saw me enter in DQ1. So like if you want to enter the worksheet, you can click on it and go to it. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure how it looks like in yours, but I know you can click on things like that and go to it. Um, so yeah, look around and look at these tutorials. Again, go here. This is where I want to direct you to. If it looks a little confusing, just click on collapse all and you'll see these two posts. And you might see other posts beneath it. I mean, this is before class started when I made this before class started, so you might see classmates, different names of classmates, but note that my name's Kevin Salcido and you'll see a graduation cap. Okay, I'm the only one that's going to pin things at the top. So watch anything you see me pin. Actually, the best rule of thumb is you see me reply to anything, read it just in case. That's the best rule of thumb, but especially the pin things at top. All right. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know.